Here we are looking at example 5 from our 3.37 notes. We're asked to find the following derivative for the secant inverse of this function e to the x. So here is our function. Now we know that just based on our definition that it's going to come out to be the derivative on top all over the absolute value of our function times the square root of our function being squared minus 1. So now just going ahead and putting in all the pieces, the derivative f prime of x, in other words the derivative of this e to the x, just comes out to be e to the x. We know that from our previous section. And as a result, looks like we would end up with e to the x on top divided by the absolute value of our function, well here it is, e to the x, times the square root of e to the x, our function, being squared minus 1. So just kind of simplifying this up a little bit more, we have e to the x divided by this, the absolute value of e to the x, well that's just e to the x, times the square root of e to the x being squared. That's the same thing as e to the 2x, because you have a power raised to a power, minus 1. And as a result, we notice that our e to the x's just cancel out with one another. And so then we're left with 1 divided by the square root of e to the 2x minus 1. So again, that is example 5 from our 3.3 set of notes.